Hello, welcome back to English with Alex. Today's lesson is going to be very quick and very easy. We're going to look at the difference between been and gone. These verbs are often confused, but it's actually very simple to learn the difference. So let's begin. First, let's look at the past participle gone. We use this verb when the trip is not completed, when someone has gone to a place and has not returned. My parents have gone to the supermarket. This means that they went to the supermarket and they have not returned. John has gone out. This means that he left and he's not back yet. Now let's look at the past participle been. This is for completed visits. The person who has gone has returned. My parents have been to the supermarket. This means that they went to the supermarket and they have returned. The trip is finished. Also, when you ask someone about their past experiences, you use the past participle been. Hey, have you been to Paris? Have you been to China? And been can also be used not only to talk about locations, but to talk about experiences and states in general. I have been sick for a week. Have you ever been sick? Have you ever been alone in a foreign country? Okay, and as usual, it's time for a little quiz. Just 5 questions. Are you ready? She's to the store. She'll be back soon. She's gone to the store. She'll be back soon. Have you ever to Mexico? Have you ever been to Mexico? Whew, I'm so tired. I've working all day. Whew, I'm so tired. I've been working all day. Oh no, I don't know that restaurant. I've never there. I've never been there. Oh, where has she? She was just here. Where has she gone? She was just here. How did you do? Let me know in the comments and subscribe because my next video is going to be about verbs with their past simple and their past participle. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!